What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and this video just an update on the funded account challenges that I've been taking. So I just passed 4 more 50k Apex challenges. So now I'm currently funded with about 350k, and as you can see here, I really just took strictly 50k accounts because that's the best model that they have, in my opinion. It's easier to hit the targets, and you can hit the targets a lot quicker as well. So I'm funded 350k with Apex, and I plan on getting funded with Top Step as well. But this upcoming week I plan on trading the 50k challenges. Well, not challenges anymore, but it's funded account. I plan on trading this with a copy trader that I have on Tradovate. If you guys need a tutorial on how to set that up, I could show you guys as well. But really take advantage of this sale that they have going on, where you could pass their challenges in literally one day, and I believe it's 80% off. So yeah, I took advantage of that, got funded with 750k accounts, and plan on getting paid out with all these accounts. So I plan on trading this smart. I'm not trying to rush it. There's no need to rush, because I'm also trading on my live personal account as well. You guys know I'm a firm believer that it's always better to trade on your personal account. However, trading on these prop firm accounts could also help as well. You could just use this as another stream of income in a way. It's all under the umbrella of trading, but this could be money from a different, stream of income. All right, so I like to diversify my money, so I definitely plan on scaling this. And once I reach the payout goal, which is you have to get the 50k account to $2,600 in profit, the maximum that you could withdraw from that payout is $2,000. So you guys could do the math. $2,000 times 7, you guys could do the math. So that's about 14k. So that's that's my goal to hit. So we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, I'm gonna just trade it smart. I'm not gonna rush. I'm gonna stick to my setups. I'm not gonna force anything. Whenever you're trading on prop firm accounts, discipline is key, and being patient. You have to be patient. You can't just trade anything. Gotta stick to your rules. Stick to your rules. Every inch of your rule, just stick to it. All right. Once you break your rules once, then it's gonna lead to a snowball effect, and you're just gonna keep breaking your rules, revenge trading, and that leads to blown accounts. I've been through it plenty of times with prop firms and my live account. So just stick to your rules and try your best not to break it. There's no setup. Just close your laptop, walk away, do something else. That's why I always preach to have, just have something else. Don't just strictly rely on trading. Have another hobby. Don't make trading everything, because it's not. Trading is just a great tool to make money and stuff. So just keep that in mind. That's little tips and gems for you guys if you want to get funded as well. All right, so while we're on here, I'm just gonna do a quick market analysis on what I see the market doing this upcoming week. So if we look at NQ, you guys know that mainly trade futures now. With all this Forex drama going on, a lot of companies are closing down. A lot of companies, brokers on MT4 getting taken away. So it's pretty much, the Forex industry is pretty much over with, if I'm being honest. Unless more companies get regulated, but for the foreseeable future, I don't see the Forex industry coming back, to be honest. But once you know how to trade, you could trade any market. It could be the stock market, crypto, futures, whatever, as long as you have the skill set. All right, so I'm really just focused on these futures. So NQ, just like NAS 100, we have sell side liquidity here as well as buy side liquidity. and we've been trending downwards, if you can see this, right? So just been somewhat on this downward channel, just selling down, down, down. So right now, currently staying on a 4-hour time frame, I see one fair value gap that we could potentially play into. So we could potentially play into this. We'll see how this reacts. There's also a fair value gap here. So I like to mark this out just to show me potential areas where the market can react, right? But for the most part, I want to see how the market really reacts around areas such as sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity as well. So that's pretty much what I mainly focus on. I want to see how the market reacts to these areas. So we have buy side liquidity here at the top, as well as sell side. So one, I want to see if we're going to displace below this liquidity right here. I want to see if we're either going to displace below it, right, or manipulate it and buy up. So I just need to wait, see how the market opens up, and based on that, I'll kind of get my bias. I'll say we're leaning more towards sales overall. If we just look here on a technical analysis perspective, we're simply just creating lower highs and lower lows, right? So looking for sales currently until otherwise. If we look here, it looks a little cleaner here on ES, which is the S&P 500. We're in that bearish channel, just like NAS, right? We're in that bearish channel, creating lower highs and lower lows. We're just trending lower and lower, right? So here we have our fair value gap. So I want to see how price kind of plays. Right here we have our buy side liquidity as well as our sell side liquidity here. Alright, so I want to see how the market is going to react at this area. We also have more liquidity here. But mainly I'm expecting price to really kind of buy up, play within this fair value gap before tanking down. So mainly I'm looking for sales on ES and NQ. If we go to gold, alright, so overall gold has been super bullish. Look at this. So this is why I was mainly calling out buy signal trades in my Learn It Earn group chat. Just simply calling out buys because overall this trend is super bullish. So if you're buying, you have a higher chance of winning these setups, these trades, instead of selling something so bullish, right? You want to stick with the trend. You don't want to go against the grain. Pretty much just stick with the trend. So this is why we're just looking for buying opportunities. So here, after buying up so much, right, market finally decided to push down pretty hard. However, we never broke below this low. So I'm still buy bias. We still didn't break structure. Now if we break below here, then officially this will be a break of structure, right? So we know if we're on an uptrend, if the market comes below the most previous higher low, this will be a break of structure. So currently I'm just trying to see how the market reacts at these levels here. I always mark up my most current buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. I want to see how the market's going to react at these levels. So right now, I'm trying to see what happens once price gets to this level, or more than likely to see how price reacts at this level here, because price is closer to here. So I'm expecting price to kind of manipulate this and then buy up. It may just come down to stop out some potential buyers who bought here, to stop them out before buying up higher. So we'll just have to wait and see. So mainly Gold, we're waiting on gold to really get a bias, and then on NQES we're looking for sales. Same as the DXY. I mean, not DXY, I'm sorry. Same as US 30 or YM. Alright. Look at this. It's pretty much the same thing. Everything moves the same, especially when you're trading these indices. They all pretty much move the same kind of setups. So once you mark up one, you kind of can tell where the others are going. Some of these indices may look cleaner than others, but for the most part, the direction is the same. All right, and I also trade oil as well. Oil's been pretty good. However, right here we have this consolidation period. So currently oil just consolidating. So I'm gonna wait for liquidity to get hit. Right? I'm gonna wait for liquidity to get hit and see what happens. I want to see how it reacts. Whether it manipulates, we know if it manipulates, price is gonna reverse. We know if it displaces, price is gonna continue pushing in that direction. All right. So trading is really simple once you know your setup and stick to your rules and have that discipline. Once you have that, the hardest thing is just sticking to your rules and like not falling into greed or temptations or just building up bad habits. The hardest thing is psychology. We all know this, and most people just have a hard time getting over that hump because it's due to risk management. They want to make money overnight. They want to become millionaires overnight, and that's not the case. Trading, you got to treat trading as a business, because it really is a business. And in business, you're going to have good moments, you're going to have bad moments, but as long as they're constantly trending upwards, it's a matter of time before you become a profitable trader. All right, so just really stick to your setups, stick to your trading plan. Don't try to rush things. Don't focus on anyone else's success. Just focus on your success. All right. So I hope this video helps. If you need help getting funded through these prop firms, right now I'm mainly trading on Apex and then Top Step, so I'm mainly trading with those, but I know there's other companies out there. If you guys find any good companies out there, please let me know, because all year I plan on running it up, getting funded as much as possible. So far we're funded 350K. I plan on, eventually going for $1 million funded, and then it's up from there. Just continue to just grow and scale in, get these payouts. All right, so I'll keep you guys updated on my journey, and I hope this video helps. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.